Dear students, welcome to Study Buzz, your online study channel. Today we are going to study Environmental Studies for Class 2. Let's have the overview. Chapter number is 9. Chapter name is Traveling Around. The concept is why do we travel? Ways of traveling by land, water and air. So let's start our chapter with this picture story. Ankit is visiting their old house in the village for the first time. The journey is long, the first part of which is by train. After getting down from the train, they go to the riverside by an auto, from where they take a boat ride to the family village, which is on the other side of the river. The family reaches the other side where a car has been waiting for them, but little Ankit sees bullock carts and really wants to take a ride on one of them. So they all hop onto the bullock cart and it slowly makes its way to their family house to the jingle of bells hanging around the bullock's neck. So here we have completed our picture story, and you must have noticed that Ankit and his family have used many mode of transport like train, then boat, then car and bullock cart. Let's start our chapter. We shall learn transport, land, water, air. And the means of transports are bicycle, car, truck for land transport, and boat, ship for water transportation, and hot air balloon, helicopter, aeroplane for air transportation. Now, why do we travel? We move around from place to place to do many things. We travel to go to school, to meet friends, to shop or for work. We also travel to places far away from home for our vacations. Zoom in. Did you know? When things or people are taken from one place to another, it is known as transportation of people or things. The vehicles used for transporting are known as means of transport. A cargo train transports goods. In class 1, we learned that vehicles are used to move around or to travel. We use different vehicles to travel by land, water and air. Let us find out what they are on the next page. So, traveling by land. Many years ago, humans could only walk from one place to another. Then, the wheel was invented. This invention made it easier and faster to move from one place to another. Now, look at the pictures of different vehicles that move on roads. Write their names in the given blanks and find out how many wheels each vehicle has. So you can see 3 images are here. One is bicycle, it has 2 wheels. Another one is a rickshaw, it has 3 tires. And another one is auto rickshaw, it also has 3 tires. Now, traveling by water. We have learned that most of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Sometimes we have to travel water to go from one place to another. Rafts, boats, motorboats and steamers help us to cross rivers and lakes. We use ships to travel on larger water bodies such as the seas. Now, can you name the different types of water transportation shown below? The first one is boat, the second one is raft, and the third one is ship. Now, traveling by air. We use aeroplanes and helicopters to travel by air. Aeroplanes travel very fast and cover long distances in a very short time. Helicopters are used to travel shorter distances. One of the earliest means of air transport was the hot air balloon. It is much slower than the other 2 vehicles. Now, if you can see the images, the first one is of a helicopter, the second one is a hot air balloon, and the third one is aeroplane. Now, fuel for vehicles. Most of the vehicles that we have read about in the chapter need fuel to move. Petrol, diesel, coal, electricity, and CNG are the different types of fuels used in vehicles such as cars, motorboats, and aeroplanes. So, here we have completed our chapter. Now, let's do the textbook exercise. Which of the following vehicles has 3 wheels? So, auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Question number 2. Which of the following vehicles has 4 wheels? Car has 4 wheels. Question number 3. Which of the following vehicles moves in water? So, raft moves in water. Question number 4. Which of the following vehicles is not filled with air? So, truck is not filled with air. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a fuel? So, air is not a fuel. Now, true and false. The invention of the wheel made it easier for humans to go from one place to another. So, this is true statement. The vehicles used for transportation of things and people are known as the means of transport. This is also true. We can only move on land and water. This is false. And the fourth statement is trucks use wind to move. This is false statement. The fifth statement is we can travel very quickly in air balloons. This is also a false statement. So here we have completed our chapter, and if you have any problem, please watch the video again. Thanks for studying with Study Buzz.